We're getting you the latest ground reports from Mumbai, where heavy rains continue to lash the city. Torrential rain since last night has led to waterlogging and can be seen in several areas, including King's Circle, Baikula, Sion and Chembur, among others. Nair Hospital, a COVID-dedicated centre, has been completely inundated. Western suburbs are the worst affected. Mumbai received 173 mm of rainfall in the last 24 hours. Waterlogging was also seen in Baikula region. In Chembur's Postal Colony, rainwater entered several houses. Local passenger train services in Mumbai have been affected due to heavy rains. Train services on Central and Harbour lines have been suspended. The Western Railway is, however, functioning at this point. Passengers were also stranded at the Sion railway station, which almost always gets inundated. The Met Department has predicted that the heavy rain will continue in Mumbai today as well. Mumbai Municipal Commissioner Iqbal Chahal will visit various flooded places from 11 a.m. today to inspect the situation on ground. The BMC, meanwhile, has declared holiday for all private and government establishments except for emergency services.
So the Mumbai this morning woke up with very heavy rain lashing out across the city, west, south, Harbour line, and here in the southern Mumbai, which is not exactly a low-lying area, but look at the rain fury, that all these two lanes which are connecting southern Mumbai from other parts of the city are looking almost submerged. So the water is up to a few centimeters, few inches here, but there are many paths just beyond this point, and look at the entire stretch, there is a massive waterlogging. And here at this part of South Mumbai, which is a fort area, and this chalk, if I take you to this side, this explains the nature's fury. There have been overnight heavy rain, and as the Met Department suggesting that there is no respite going to be for next 2 to 3 days. In fact, in the meanwhile, the Municipal Corporation of Mumbai has appealed people to remain indoors for their own safety and security. In fact, all the offices have been ordered to shut down, looking at the heavy rain lashing out in the city. Since there is going to be massive traffic jam, the people are advised to stay indoors and move only out if there is any emergency. With this ground report in South Mumbai with Pawan, this is Ashutosh Mishra reporting for India Today.
Let's get you the latest updates from Mumbai. Saurabh Bhaktania is joining us live from Hind Mata in Mumbai. We've got Mustafa Sheikh getting us the latest from Lalbagh. So, Saurabh, to you first, what's the situation where you are? We understand that the BMC has now advised all Mumbaikars to stay indoors, and there's a forecast also for heavy rains today.
Well, Akshita, at the moment I'm right now at Andheri Western Express Highway, but as it's not raining for last 1 hour, you can see how the traffic jam on road of Mumbai. The people are out. BMC have declared it off today, but after it's not raining since last 1 hour, you can see how there is a traffic jam situation like at the Western Express Highway. But the more serious concern after waterlogging, Akshita, in Mumbai are the main huge potholes. There are several potholes which have emerged after the rainfall, and such situation can be seen everywhere in Mumbai. The latest information, if we can give you, Akshita, is that on the Western Railway line, the trains are not running from Churchgate to Bandra. The local trains are completely shut down. There is huge waterlogging on the railway tracks. On the central line from Sion to CST, the tracks are completely filled with water, so trains are not moving in those areas as well. Now there are several other low-lying areas where there is lot of waterlogging, and it will take lot of time for water to recede from those areas. The good thing is that right now there is no high tide, and therefore the water can go inside the sea. The high tide we are expecting in the afternoon at around 3 p.m. If at that time it rains very heavily, it can cause more serious problem for Mumbaikars.
Okay, Mustafa is also getting us the latest. He's joining us from Lalbagh. And Mustafa, you've been getting us ground reports from early this morning showing us how bad the situation is. No rain, fortunately, for the last few hours. Has that helped in a way to, ensure that some of the inundated roads, the water is drained out?
Well, Akshita, if you can see the visuals behind me, you can understand whether it has helped or not. Mumbai is still completely submerged. If you leave out the highways, look at the internal road. Behind me, you are seeing Nair Hospital. This is BYL Nair Hospital. It's a COVID facility, and you will see that it's completely submerged in water. You can see the gates. We are showing the main gates of this hospital, and behind me you see that waist-deep water where people are walking, women are being escorted if they are coming to the hospital, because that's the situation, that's the scary situation. We are walking since 7 a.m. trying to reach a place where we can find some water, which less water, but you will see that everywhere where we are there is waist-deep water. And this is Mumbai Central area. We are showing you Nair Hospital. Behind us, if you see, there are buildings in which the water has entered the housing societies. The cars which were parked on the still parking are completely submerged. So it's a very, very scary day for Mumbaikars. Though the rains have stopped, but it rained incessantly the whole night, and hence there has been waterlogging, and the waterlogging will take a lot of time. And it doesn't help that the IMD has given a warning that there is going to be heavy rainfall for next 24 hours also, and the high tide. So that it is really a difficult time for Mumbaikars, and things have come to standstill in the city, especially inside the city areas, the bylands, and where people reside. Back to you.
Let's hope there are no more rains today. That will help in bringing at least some normalcy in the city. But I reiterate that Mumbaikars have been advised not to step out until absolutely necessary. Saurabh and Mustafa, thank you for getting us a ground report.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.